What's up, guys? I hope you're all having a fantastic day. So today we're going to talk about what's happening with XRP and the XRP community. Currently, the price of XRP is just under 63 cents, and today things are looking a little brighter. We are in the green zone as XRP's price has increased by 21% over the last 24 hours. Over the previous 24 hours, we had a massive dump all the way down to 50 cents. And this would have been the ideal buying opportunity for those who caught it in time. With that said, let's roll that intro and get into today's topic. As always, welcome back to Money Side, your favorite crypto news channel. If you're new here, welcome to the XRP fam. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you don't miss out on our daily crypto news updates. Now back to today's topic. We kick things off with this tweet from CM101, where he says, you haven't sold a single XRP since this dump. It's going to be an excellent time for everyone who has held onto their XRPs tightly through this market roller coaster. The market is definitely very spicy right now. I mean, if you look at the charts, we definitely have a lot of reds. We even had a massive dump that occurred a few hours ago. But from the look of things, it seems that most people took advantage of this and bought into the market. Moving on from that, we can see another exciting tweet from BlackBerry XRP saying, "No more games. We are the new news. On the front lines, I ain't scared. Digital asset buy is my guy. Number one truth teller out there, and all he's doing is being honest and asking the right questions." He shares a video of Digital Asset Buy, who in the video calls most of the community leaders who are failing at their job. He claims that most of these influential crypto enthusiasts are not even telling people about real digital assets. NumBG13 tweets, "Soon an opportunity will come to reinvest. Do it or do not wait." And it seems like the crash that just happened was that opportunity. In fact, we can see in this tweet from Anatomy that says, "Until now, the opportunity will come to reinvest. Do it, do not wait." Seems to be a today crash. I expected pumps for XX drops for June 23rd and 24th, but if they are dumps and tomorrow is a dump, then also June 24 will be another dump and also June 26. The best part is that all these crazy market actions are presenting some good buying opportunities. From Red Collie 1, for those of you worried about a decline in the price of XRP, it may be untidy, inefficient, but let me assure you that Mr. Pool is a reliable source. I can't say more, or he would be banned once again. Trust Mr. Pool. Loop in time. Wait for Ragnarok 589 reset in September. Also, it looks like the reset is inbound to come sooner than later. In another tweet from Nilo Angelo 413, he tweets saying that Bitcoin will be sacrificed for XRP. My opinion. I guess right now nothing is conventional. Disclosed TV is saying, just in, Iran seized 7,000 cryptocurrency mining machines in an abandoned factory west of Tehran, the state news agency IRNA reported. Iran banned the mining of cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin recently. As we can see from an article by Reuters.com, Dubai, Iranian police have seized 7,000 computer miners at an illegal cryptocurrency farm. Their largest haul to date of the energy-guzzling machines that have exacerbated power outages in Iran, the state media reported on Tuesday. In late May, Iran banned the mining of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin for nearly 4 months as part of efforts to reduce the incidence of power blackouts blamed by officials on surging electricity demand during the searingly hot and dry summer. Tehran Police Chief General Hossein Rahmani said the 7,000 computer miners were seized in an abandoned factory in the west of the capital, the state news agency IRNA reported. I don't know if you are all seeing the trend here. There are a lot of places that are banning Bitcoin. We might not be sure where all this could be going, but it feels like it could be time for Bitcoin to go. Probably we might be having a bloodbath incoming, especially now that the big short investor Michael Burry deactivated his Twitter account again after his mother of all crashes warning. Here we go again with the crash warnings. It's apparent that we are about to see a significant economic crash very soon. Some people are in fact saying that the significant crash could happen in October, as we can see from this tweet by George 616-20629. Key takeaways. The October effect refers to the psychological anticipation that financial declines and stock market crashes are more likely to occur this month than any other month. The bank panic of 1907, the stock market crash of 1929, and Black Monday, 1987, all happened during the month of October. From that, we see this tweet by Bank of England. We are going to issue the new £50 note on 23/06/21, which is Alan Turing's birthday. Curiously, the date adds up to 50. Lucky coincidence or master plan? As we can see from an article by ExpressandStar.com, the Alan Turing £50 banknote has started to enter circulation, coinciding with the Bletchley Park codebreaker's birthday. The new Polymer Bank of England note will become available in bank branches and at ATMs in the coming days and weeks. Celebrating Mr. Turing's life, the Bank of England was also flying the Progress Pride flag above its building in London's Threadneedle Street on Wednesday. Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey with a new £50 note featuring Alan Turing at Bletchley Park in Milton Keynes. Often considered to be the father of computer science, Mr. Turing played a pivotal role in breaking the Enigma code, and his legacy has had a lasting impact on the way we live today. Cracking the Enigma code is said to have helped shorten the Second World War by at least 2 years, saving millions of lives. There has been so much happening in the crypto market as a whole, but this situation won't last forever. In fact, we can see this tweet from Bleebrock92. There's no way we are bleeding like this until a July 22nd XRP. A few months back, Baba said 99% of the people won't make it to 4 digits, and I honestly believe it's because people will sell in the 2-digit zone, eyes open this week and until June 30th. Anyone who has been wondering if XRP is really going to the moon should know that this is an intergalactic currency that's about to change the world. As we approach the end of this video, we can see this article from sfgate.com. Lake Oroville's depleted water levels may force power plant to shut down for the first time ever. Let's quickly go over this article and see what's happening. Water lines on the banks of Lake Oroville in Butte County have depleted so rapidly that the reservoir's hydroelectric power plant may have to shut down for the first time ever, straining an already encumbered power grid during the hottest part of the summer. California officials announced Thursday. Since 1967, the Edward Hyatt Power Plant has been a crucial source of electricity for the area and usually has the capacity to power up to 800,000 homes, pumping water from the lake through its underground facilities, according to CNN. However, water levels are currently approaching 700 feet, exacerbated by a severe drought and triple-digit temperatures. If they continue to plummet to a threshold of 640 feet, the lake's lowest point ever, recorded in 1977, the plant will not have enough water to continue functioning in 2 to 3 months' time. The blackouts are becoming more rampant. I think there is more to what's happening. It's just a matter of time before the major events in the stock and crypto market start rolling in. Unidentifiedtel says no bodies, fear-consumed doomers, zero summers, elites, NWW. XRP is the phoenix that solves their problems and fuels their ego above masses, versus quantum nobodies, realists who prefer manifest world peace, are NWO. We are Phoenix. XRP is Tool. Timeline creators serve the masses. There are different timelines that people will choose their fate. According to FXStreet.com, XRP price attempts an upswing. XRP price crashed roughly 40%, breaking through the May 23rd swing low at just over 70 cents. This massive sell-off formed a bottom at 0.509 on June 22nd and has pushed Ripple up by 17% so far. This uptrend is likely to continue to 0.784, nearly a 30% gain from the current position, 0.593. The immediate resistance barrier at 0.643 will be the first significant blockade that has to be overcome for a persistent rally. Reaching this level will propel XRP's price to its intended target at just over 78 cents. Guys, let's take a look at the technical analysis of XRP. In this chart, XRP seems to be having a massive reversal. At the end of the downtrend on the 4H chart, there appeared to be a hammer formation. However, the pattern could not be confirmed as the 2 following candles were red, thereby negating the reversal after the hammer. Stop losses would have been triggered for traders taking long positions after the hammer. Therefore, it is always crucial to wait for the confirmation candle, even if it eats into some of the potential gains. It hedges against fake-outs. Now we are looking at the 2-day time frame. XRP has been moving downwards since the beginning of the drop, Shortly afterwards, it reaches a strong valid demand level in confluence with a very strong weekly zone. Currently, after finding support in the strong demand level, in my personal opinion, I think the price can push to the upside. The bull run probably in order to reach the $1 zone. With that in mind, trade safely, guys. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. Let us know what you think in the comment section below and let's start a conversation. As always, I thank you for watching. Remember to like this video and click on the subscribe button below. Turn on notifications so you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. And we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.